Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete saved jobs in Indeed. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Indeed.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. This ensures you have access to all your saved jobs and personalized features. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a saved icon there, which looks like a bookmark or flag symbol. This icon is your gateway to all the jobs you've previously saved for future reference. Go ahead and click on this saved icon to proceed. Once you click the saved icon, a new view will appear. At the top of this section, you'll see a tab labeled Saved. Click on this tab to access your complete list of saved jobs. This is where Indeed stores all the positions you've marked as interesting or worth reviewing later, making it easy to keep track of opportunities you don't want to lose sight of. Now you should be able to see all your saved jobs displayed in a list format. Each job listing will show the position title, company name, location, and other relevant details you saw when you first saved it. This organized view makes it simple to browse through everything you've bookmarked over time. To delete any saved job from your list, simply locate the saved icon next to that specific job listing. You'll notice this icon is highlighted or filled in, indicating that the job is currently saved. Click on this saved icon once and it will toggle off, immediately removing the job from your saved list. The icon will change appearance, typically becoming unfilled or grayed out, confirming that you've successfully unsaved that particular position. You can repeat this process for any other jobs you want to remove from your saved list, giving you full control over which opportunities you keep tracked. And that's it, you've successfully cleaned up your saved jobs list on Indeed, keeping only the positions that truly interest you. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.